Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it is Friday. So first of all, happy Friday. How are you guys doing this morning? I just finished getting my workout in. I lifted this morning and ran a little bit. So this morning workout was super awesome, full of energy, full of vibes. I'll show you guys what I did this morning right here. I finished getting my workout in. Of course I did my green juice. You guys can see my juicer still have all the particles from juicing my green juice this morning. Of course it was celery, cucumber, ginger and apple, and that was yummy as usual. I start to have that every single morning. Two things that it makes happening to me. Yes, Tyler? It makes my face look more clear. Yes, baby. Popcorn at this time of the morning? No popcorn right now. How about just a little bit of popcorn? You want this one? No, not this one. You don't like that one, so mama pull it, you won't eat it. How about something else? This one. No, something else. Would you like a chocolate? Chocolate. Yeah? No. No snack. No snack. Hold on. Do you want pretzel? How about pretzel? Pretzel? Yeah? Pretzel? Pretzel. Let's have pretzel. Which one? No, there's nothing up there. Have pretzel. What do you say? Very good. Go out the kitchen. Mama soon come, okay? Come here. Come say good morning, Fizz.
Good morning, Mother.
How are you? You're going to school today, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, go have your pretzel. Go on. You guys, what was I saying? I don't even remember what I was telling you guys, that I made my juice. I started having it every morning, and two things that I realized it's been doing to me a lot that I love. One, Tyler, yes baby, 11. Two pretzels, he put it together and say 11, smart boy. It started to make my face look extra glowy, and it makes me go to the bathroom so easily now, which I used to have problem doing if I don't drink water every day. And sometimes I even forget that I don't drink enough water, but I still go to the bathroom. And usually, TMI, I'm so sorry. Usually if I don't drink enough water, it's trouble for me to go to the bathroom. So yeah, and of course it's working on my belly fat. I can see all my abs is just pushing through, and I love it. I just can't wait to unleash this summer body come summer. Okay, you guys, I'm going all out. Anyway, you guys, baby's off to work. I am going to work today, and Tyler is going to daycare today. So of course I am in my favorite place, the kitchen. And I am now going to make breakfast and make dinner, so that we can have dinner before when we get home this afternoon and stuff like that. Anyway, you guys, I have a bunch of stuff to do around here. I have vlogs to edit and stuff like that. So little time with so much to do, so I am not going to stick around much longer. Kitchen to clean up and a whole 9 yards of stuff to do. So first, let's get this breakfast going, which of course you guys know that it's going to be egg and something. Don't know what yet, because I don't have any rice planting. I don't know if I have the time to do the green planting, but let's see what breakfast is going to be. You guys, breakfast was finger licking good. Breakfast was everything, but now I'm jumping back into the kitchen to make dinner. Okay, so for dinner tonight I am going to make a chicken stir fry, chicken rice veggie stir fry. So what I'm using basically, what I'm using is leftovers from yesterday dinner. So we had brown rice and some veggies, which is beans and carrots, and I'm just going to add some chicken to it, some veggies and some flavor, and we're good to go for dinner this afternoon. So let's go make dinner. And there you have it, guys. Dinner is done. Finished making dinner, and I also went ahead and make lunch, which is my favorite. Love this salad. So dinner is done, lunch is done, but it's not yet lunchtime. However, it's Tyler's lunchtime, so I'm going to go ahead and feed him lunch. Yes, baby. And then in about 30 minutes, put him down for a nap, and then get myself ready, have lunch, and get the day going. Yes, boo boo. Yes. Which one? What about it? What you want? Let me go see what he wants. Look at the living room. What? What happened? I don't know where it is. You have them in your room somewhere. You guys, the mess does. Oh, you found it. The mess as usual, from numbers to picture words to puzzles to train track. That's Tyler for you, but that's okay. Once he's happy, that's all that matters. You guys, on another note, a package came for me. Of course, you guys know Tyler loves packages and gifts. In this box is all hair products for me. So that's shampoo, conditioner, hair treatment, braids that I bought. I want to try braids, so I'm gonna try braiding my hair myself and all those good stuff. So yeah, that box is just hair goodies for me. On that note, I'm just gonna stop rambling. I don't have much time. Day in my life, this is what it looks like, okay? I'm just always on the go. I don't have time to be chit-chatting with anybody. I don't have time for nonsense, okay? I don't have time to waste. My day is just always ticking, going, and I love it when I'm this busy, because when you're this busy, you don't find time to gossip. You don't find time to get involved in things that you're not supposed to get involved in. You just mind your own business, do what you have to do, and go about your day. When you're this busy, you really don't find time to do anything else, and I love it when I'm like this, because it's good for your sanity. It don't give you it don't give yourself time to think about negativity. Don't give yourself to think about things that you're not supposed to think about. Think about you're in the right place. You keep your mind active, and you really don't have time to do anything else or to waste on anybody else. Anyway, you guys, enough of that. I am going to feed my baby. And we're off to school.
Mama?
Yes. Yeah, we're going to school. Wait for mama. Slow down. Go. Go. Go on, go. Go. Boy love dog. Doggy. See your next dog in front of you. Go, 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 go. Wait for mama. Come. Come, give me a hat. Tyler. Your hat.
Allez, accroche-le. Accroche-le. Accroche-le comme ça. Allez, enlève la veste. Allez. Allez, enlève.
Come here. Come give me a kiss. Bye. You guys, I swear Tyler is the loudest mouth in the class. As he goes in, the teacher's like, oh no, oh no, oh no. He's so loud. Say mama, say mama. He's telling the teachers that this is my mom. He's hilarious. Listen, my boy. He's such a character. Anyway, you guys, drop-off's been made. And now your girl is off to grind.
Tyler, c'est quoi? Ben. C'est qui fait ça? Montre à papa, c'est qui? C'est le mouton?
Le mouton.
Mouton? Et qu'est-ce qu'a fait la vache?
My personal hairdresser.
Tyler, la vache a fait quoi? Meuh. Meuh, bravo.
Et les chats?
Miaou. Et le chien? Wouf, wouf.
And Tyler? Et maman? Maman c'est quoi? Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Et papa?
Comme moi?
That's what papa says.
Comme moi.
Comme moi?
Comme moi.
What is that?
Toto.
Yeah! What is this?
Panda.
Yeah! What is this? Woof!
Wouf. Comment ça s'appelle, Tyler?
Dog.
Yeah! What is this?
Tiger.
Oui, Tyler. Maman pleure?
Till night night fibs. See you tomorrow with more trouble and more smile. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Chilling, watching TV, celebrating because it's the weekend about to start. So yeah, we're Friday night. You know, tired, but
And I'm going to bed
oh yeah. So we are
right
in
now.
a
Cut my face so it looks swollen.
full good shape for the weekend coming.
Yes.
But before to go, we have to give you some things. What do you want to give them, honey?
The
today?
Jamaican expression.
Okay.
We run things, things no run we.
We run things, things no run we.
We run things,
We run things,
things no run we.
things no run we.
Yes.
Okay, we run the things, it's not the things who run us.
Yes, mean just like how you do that with attitude, mean you're in control. You're in control of your destiny.
Always
No
in
one else is in
control.
control of you.
God is in control.
Anyway, do you understand what it means?
Of course.
What's the French expression for today?
J'ai des fourmis dans les jambes.
No.
I have ants in my foot.
Okay.
Do you understand what it means?
Yes, when your foot is, what's the word I'm looking for? Cramp.
Okay. So in
Yeah,
French we
ants
say
in
you
your
have
foot.
ants in your foot.
I think we say that in English though.
Okay.
Here you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys. Comment down below and let us know what we say when our foot is cramp and have ants, that antsy feeling. Tell us what it's called. Anyway, guys, Tyler's long off to bed and I'm heading to bed. Can you tell? I'm heading to bed right now because I'm tired. If it's the first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Comment down below. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.